Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul, and on this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you replace the ABS wheel speed sensor. Say your ABS wheel speed sensor is not reading correctly, or this line's got cut one way or the other, and so you have one of the sensors that's gone bad and your ABS light has come on. You've gone through a code reader and you've read, and it tells you which side to replace. So the sensor in here can go bad, which reads the hub as it goes around to tell you how fast you're going. But sometimes that sensor can wear out, or it could be the magnet in the hub, but it's generally the sensor first, or this got cut one way or the other. So to start with, there is a number 10 bolt. There is a number 10 bolt right here that we need to remove. With that bolt removed, now I should be able to move this one way or the other to be able to get it out. You may need a screwdriver to kind of move the one way, and then we're able to pull the sensor out. Okay? Now, this sensor removed, two other bolts, one here and one right up here, that are holding the cable so that it doesn't get wrapped up into anything. They're clamps and cables, and they come new when you buy. They come with the new one. So we just undo these bolts, and those are a size 12. Okay, so we've removed those. Up here we have a clip that we're going to need to pull out, and there we go. You're able to reach in there on the other side of the strut and squeeze that to come out. Now our connector goes behind here. There was a number 14. It's a plastic bolt cap that went right there, and then there was a number 10 down there at the bottom. We should be able to pull this way and be able to pull this down. And with that pulled down, you see that we have access to the cable connector here. We just got to press the tab there, and we'll be able to pull that undone. We have the same so we got that clip undone, and now that way we're able to pull out the whole ABS sensor. And like I said, this all comes as one full unit, everything that you've seen that we removed. And so then we just go in the reverse with the new one, and we put the new one back on in the reverse order. This is just an example of how it's done. So we're putting this back on. So able to pull this shield down. Make the connection there, press this clip up in there, and with that all hooked up, now we can put this shield back into place. And then we have, you'll put the screws and the push pins back into the fender well plastic cover, and then we're going to put that clip in there. And then we have this, and it has a little metal tab here so that it'll sit where it needs to sit. And we have our number 12 bolt that goes right here. We have our next number 12 bracket that goes right here. We have that bottom tab that's going to line up as we put this in here to hold that into place, and you'll tighten that up. So we have our ABS wheel speed sensor. We've gone over the process of rerouting this back through. Up top here we have this electric line that comes, well, the sensor line that comes down. We have a number 12 bolt that we tighten right there on that bracket. We have another number 12 bolt that we tighten right here at this bracket. And then the last one, as we work our way down here, right into the wheel hub. We have it right here into the wheel hub that we're going to put that sensor in there, and that is a size 10 bolt that you tighten in here to tighten that up. And we just need that snug, nothing crazy tight. It's just to hold it in place so it doesn't fly out. And then make sure you tighten the other bolts. You would put the tire back on and drop it down, torque it to spec, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.